Hi fellas, this is Chemaddicts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well, today we are going to discuss about a topic related to bonding. So let's check the summary at first. Here we will learn about what is meant by sigma and pi bonds, where are the sigma and pi bonds situated, and we will get our concept clear by solving this question. Okay, by solving this question we will get our confusion clear. So let's start. Let's Pokemon Go. Okay, so at first let us know what is meant by sigma bond and pi bond. Okay, so how does sigma bond look like? So sigma bond is given by the symbol. This is called sigma bond, and it is the head-on overlapping. Again fellas, please note that my handwriting is really bad. Okay, sorry for that. Head-on sigma bond is the, well, let's get back to the definition. Sigma bond is the head-on overlapping. Sigma bond is the head-on overlapping of two orbitals. Okay, the sigma bond occurs like this. This is one s orbital and this is another s orbital, so this is sigma bond. Don't take it in other ways. Okay, I know that you are imagining another thing, you are thinking about another thing. Very dirty mind. Okay, sorry. So this is called sigma bond. So this is sigma bond. Two s orbital join together to form sigma bond, and sigma bond can form in another way around. One s orbital joining with another p orbital. Sorry, my handwriting is really bad. It's so difficult to draw these things. Just kidding. So this is another sigma bond. Okay, so now you know about sigma bond. Now let us see what is meant by pi bond. Okay, so extend this further. Okay, so what is meant by pi bond? It is the sidewise overlapping of orbitals. Overlapping of orbitals. Okay, overlapping of two orbitals. So what are the examples? here is the example, 2 pi orbital joining sideways. Okay. Here 2 joining is 1 pi bond. In here 1 joining is 1 sigma bond. Here 1 joining is 1 sigma bond. But for pi bonds, 2 joining is equivalent to 1 pi bond. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, most of the students make this mistake. So 2 joining is equivalent to 1 pi bond, and 1 joining here, 1 joining is equals to 1 sigma bond. Okay, I hope that you have understood. So let us now discuss where sigma bond is situated. Sigma bond is situated in where sigma and pi bond exists. Okay, let us know. So where are the sigma and pi bonds situated? So there are, single bonds, multiple bonds. Here today we are going to discuss about single bonds and double bonds. Single bonds, always remember that single bonds have only pi bond. Single bonds have sigma bond only. I was wrong before. So single bonds have only sigma bond, and double bond, I can't even spell double, have pi as well as sigma bond. Okay, so single bonds have only sigma bond, and double bonds have sigma bond as well as pi bond. Besides sigma bond, there is also pi bond. So let us look at the question once again. So let us recall this thing again. Single bond has sigma bond only. Okay, and double bond or multiple bond have pi and sigma. Okay, bonds. I hope that you have understood. So let us read the question first. Molecule of Z has the following structure. This is the structure. So what are the total numbers of sigma bonds and pi bonds in a molecule of Z? So let us count. So in here, single bonds have only pi bond, Okay, for double bond there are pi bond as well as sigma bond. Single bonds have sigma bond. Single bonds have sigma bond, and double bond have sigma bond as well as pi bond. So let us count the single bonds first. One single bond is equals to one sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 8. So at first we have count the single bonds. Now let us move on to double bond. So in double bond there are sigma bond as well as pi bond. So at first let us count sigma bond. So 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 sigma bond. Total we have 11 sigma bond. So let us count pi bonds. So pi bond, we are left with 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3. So the answer should be C. Okay, so 11 sigma bonds and 11 pi bonds. 11 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. 11 sigma bonds and 3 pi bonds. So I hope that you have understood the question. Once again, sorry for my bad handwriting and sorry for my bad language since bad English language. Sorry for my bad English language. I didn't mean it in other ways. So enjoy your life. Well fellas, this is the end of today's tutorial. Is there any part of this video that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, ask question regarding this video tutorial. How was it? How do you feel about the video tutorial? And I know that you have a lot of questions to ask me. Please ask questions and let me know which problems you are facing, and please mention them in the comment section. Okay, and also here is the free courses only for you. You can click here to grab them. Full list of courses here. Just click here and please vote for this video tutorial. Let me know that whether it was favorable for you or not. Okay, thank you.